Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial in which we will see that how we can create, edit and delete HSN in Mark ERP software and how we can include HSN with an item. So firstly, let's understand what is HSN or SAC. The HSN code is an internationally accepted method for classifying and identifying goods, whereas the Service Accounting Codes is a unique code which is provided for measurement and taxation of services. Both HSN or SAC code are needed when anyone registers for GST, on invoices and on all the GST returns which is required to be uploaded on the GST portal. Under GST, businesses who have annual turnover less than 1.5 crore would not require to use HSN codes to sell their goods, and even businesses registered under the composition scheme are not required to mention HSN codes on their invoices. So now let's come to implementation part. So for this, go to Master's menu, then to Inventory Master, and from here you will select HSN SAC Master. Now here you can see that some shortcut keys are shown to you, like F2 for create new HSN, F3 to modify and del for delete. So for now we want to create new HSN, then simply we will press F2 function key from the keyboard, and after this we will mention HSN code here. Now here you can specify any short name for HSN identification, whichever you want to. And after this you will remember one thing here, that whichever HSN you are creating and whatever the tax applies on that HSN, that tax you will mention here. Like it is 12%, then here in SGST and CGST we will enter 6 and 6. In the same way, if it's 18%, then you will enter 9 in SGST and 9 in CGST. For now, we will enter 6 in SGST and 6 in CGST. So in this way you can create multiple HSN as per your requirement. After creating HSN, you will press escape key from the keyboard. After this, if you want to modify any HSN code, like here I want to modify this HSN code, then simply we will press F3 function key on it, and whatever changes you want to do, you will do it here. Suppose here we are changing its HSN code and will keep pressing enter. So in this way we have modified HSN here. Now we will press escape key here. After this, as we want to include HSN with an item, for that you will again go to Master's menu, then to Inventory Master, and from here enter on Item Master field. And here with whichever item you want to include HSN code, just press F3 function key on that item. So firstly we are selecting an item, we will press F3 key on it. Then here we will come to HSN SAC field. Then we will click on No from here. So a list of HSN code will be open, and here you will simply select that HSN code which you want to include with this item and press enter key. So in this way you can include any item with HSN code. Then we will press page down key to save the changes. And if you want to delete any HSN, so for that you will simply press delete key on that particular HSN, then click on yes button. So in this way you can delete that HSN from here. So friends, in this manner we have seen in this tutorial that how you can create, edit and delete HSN, and how you can include items with HSN in Mark ERP software. Thanks for watching.